when you need a loan. Build or buy. Get Jeff on the phone.
Hi, this is Jeff Tarbell, your host of Talkin' Money. There's a lot of acronyms that get thrown around when it comes to first-time buyers and low down payment programs. There's FHA, there's VA, USDA, grant money, EEM, all these different terms that seem a little bit hard to understand. So I'll try to break a few of them down for you today if you're looking at getting into your first house. Maybe you haven't owned a home in the last few years and you're looking to get back into the market. A lot of you have been out of the market and need to get back in. So let's talk about a few terms. The most obvious ones, FHA, Federal Housing Administration. This is a government program funded by direct lenders. So the government doesn't make you a loan, they insure the loan. The beauty of the FHA program is you get 3.5% down payment, and that can all be a gift from a qualified relative. So you get in, it has some limits in terms of it allows maybe a little higher debt ratio, maybe a little lower credit scores than a conventional loan. So the FHA is a fantastic program for, you do not have to be a first-time buyer. You just cannot have another FHA loan at this time. You can actually have another house, but you just cannot have two FHA loans at one time. So that's the FHA program. VA, obvious, so for the veterans. Veterans financing is 100% financing. And so the veterans and we've got a lot of them, and thank you very much. But to veterans, you have some good benefits for part of your service to our country. The VA loan is one of them, 100% financing, no down payment requirement. Very good. USDA, which is the Department of Agriculture, they will make 100% loans also. They'll make them in rural counties. And for our area around here, parts of Placer County, way down south in Sacramento County, all of El Dorado County, a lot of Yolo County, different areas that qualify for 100% financing for USDA, no down payment. So you can check into that program as well. We've also got a program that has a tendency to come and go a little bit. We call it the Platinum Grant Money Program. This is an FHA loan in which the state of California puts down or gifts you 3% of the 3.5% you need for down payment. And there's no repayment of the loan. It's not a second mortgage. There's no recapture. This is probably the greatest, cleanest program we've got. It does have a tendency to kind of come and go a little bit, but I think it'll be back in full force here pretty quick. That's the Platinum Grant Money Program, and you can get into that for a 0.5% down. So those are some options of some very, very good programs. You can use any of these programs with a new home, an existing home, a short sale, an REO, which means the bank's taking the home back. And again, many of these you do not have to be a first-time buyer, and there are some income limitations to some of the programs. For example, the Platinum program has some income limitations to it of about 90 grand per year for your household. So as with any program and anything you want to do, I highly suggest before you start going out and kicking tires on a new home, you get pre-approved first. There's no cost for you to do that. You can do it right now. You can go onto my website, jefftarbell.com. There's a green application there. Fill out the application to get pre-approved. Or if you want to discuss it more, give me a call, 916-338-9400. We'll see you next week.
Build or buy. Get Jeff on the phone for a great refi. 338